Hello, good morning, good afternoon, and good evening. Welcome back to my new video, guys. I hope you all are well and doing good. We will start again with the next set of the questions related with SAP S4 HANA sales, on-prem and cloud. Next question. Sales document type will control the following functions. So here we need to select three correct answers out of the available six options. Bill of material, lead time in days, date type, checks to be carried out, for example, open contract and quotation, incompleteness procedure, document pricing procedure, pricing billing relevance, movement type. Guys, I will recommend you to use the rule of elimination. Pricing relevance is not at sales document type level. It is at item category level, guys. Remember, movement type, it has schedule line category level, guys. Bill of material related configuration is not there at sales document type level, guys. So if we can use the rule of the elimination, we can very well use and select the correct options. Lead time in days, yes. Checked to be carried out, open contracts and quotation. Once you go to the detailed view of the sales order, you can find all these control, guys. In completion procedure, it is having, if you go inside to the sales document type, you will see incompletion procedure is assigned, but you cannot assign directly at the sales document type level inside the detailed view. It's a separate path, guys, that you have to follow, but yes, it is linked with the sales document type. Similarly, document pricing procedure, once we go inside the sales document type through the transaction code VOV8, there you can assign the document pricing procedure. Okay, moving on. So correct answers are second, third, and fourth. Client requirement is client requirement is there is a condition type which is manual, which user enters manually into a sales document. But after entering the condition type, but after entering the condition type, system system should not allow to change the amount or value where we are having these controls, guys, where we are having these controls. So these controls are value and quantity relation. Once you go to the detailed view of the condition type in v/06, you can see all these controls, guys. Okay. Which condition types are statistical condition type? Select three correct answers. K004, it's a discount condition, guys, remember. I will again recommend here to use the rule of elimination. K004 is material discount. K005 is customer material discount. KUMU, it's a cumulative condition, guys, and it is statistical in nature. VPRS, it's a cost condition that flows from the material master accounting one view from the pricing field, standard price and moving average price. From there, it flows to this at the sales document type. We link, we place this VPRS condition in the pricing procedure, and once we update the material price in the accounting one view. It's a view, guys. Accounting one is the material master view. So in the accounting one view, once we place this VPRS cost condition, it starts flowing. There is a routine that we need to link. So KUMU, remember guys, KUMU, VPRS and SKTO. SKTO is a cash discount, remember, okay? So these three are the statistical condition types. They are statistical in nature. Yeah. Next, what are the changes introduced in S4 HANA? Select the correct options. We need to select here three correct options. First is BRF introduced. Yes, with SAP S4 HANA, SAP brought the new functionality Business Rule Framework. BRF stands for Business Rule Framework. Business Partner Introduction, of course. SAP introduced the business partner much earlier, guys, it around 2000 with the new dimensional modules like CRM, APO, and that functionality was very well there. But in SAP S4 HANA, SAP made the business partner concept as mandatory. To use the customers and vendor, we have to configure the complete business partner functionality. We have to enable the CVI integration, guys, okay? And fourth is change in order to cash cycle. It's a very much available in SAP ECC and S4 HANA, guys. Back order processing. In the back order processing, SAP has introduced some advanced functionality. So these three are the changes which came along with the S4 HANA. First is business rule framework introduction. Second is business partner introduction. And fourth is back order processing. Next question. Which of the following is a part of company code data in customer master? Guys, address belongs to the general data. Shipping belongs to the uh, in the sales area, shipping tab, we are having this shipping related data. A recon account, once we go to the FI view or the FI customer, we select the company code data. There we can see the field of the reconciliation account. Okay. So that is there, guys. Next question. Correct sales flow is first is sales order, outbound delivery, picking, PGI, billing document, accounting document. Second, outbound delivery, PGI, billing, accounting document. Sales order, outbound delivery, picking, billing. Guys, this is the most accurate flow that we can see. First, we create the sales order. With reference to the sales order, we create the outbound delivery. In the delivery, we do the picking and goods issue. Then we create the billing document and we post that to the accounting. So this is a standard flow, guys. Okay. This is the standard flow. Select the first option and remember the functionality activities that we do. First, we create a sales order. With reference to the sales order, we create the outbound delivery. In the delivery document, we pick the goods and we do the goods issue. Then billing documents created and post to the accounting. 37. Next question, guys. If you change the customer master data, if you change the customer master data, what is updated automatically in the existing sales order for the customer? Remember, if we are changing the customer address, that will get changed automatically at the sales order level. Whether those sales order has created earlier in past. Incoterms, shipping condition, payment terms will not get changed, guys. Remember, address it gets changed, guys. As soon as it gets updated in the database, you can see the change address at the sales order level. Okay, next. Guys, you are feel free to contact me, to mail me regarding your queries, and certainly I will support you on the all the possible extent. Next question. What are the impact of performing a goods issue posting? So guys, I'll brief you. When we do the goods posting, first the available stock gets reduced immediately until we are not doing the goods posting. Stock only allocated to that particular document. It can be your sales order, it can be your delivery, but as soon as we do the goods issue, stock gets reduced, guys. Next is, so the third option is correct option. Another important point to remember for you, when we do the goods issue, system generates the inventory accounting, guys. System generates the inventory accounting. Okay, that is not here. You can remember, in case option gets changed, you can select the correct option with this explanation. So reduction of the stock in the system. Third, fourth is, once we have done the goods issue, billing documents status is fully completed, guys. We can create the delivery document status is fully completed, guys. We can post the billing. Okay. 39. Which of the following sales document type can be used in situation where a customer will order, pick up, and pay the goods immediately to the shop or to the counter? First is standard sales order, cash sales, consignment fill up, immediate order. Guys, remember, cash sales is the process where customer picks the goods directly from the shop or from the counter. The cash sale happen like whenever any customer they want the goods immediately, they usually go to the counter. There is another process of the rush sales that is similar and but slightly different. I'll discuss with you guys later, but at this point in time, I'll give you some glimpse of the cash sales. So in the cash sale, what happen? Customer goes to the shop or counter, they pick up the good like in the way we are going to the supermarket or hypermarket. We are picking the goods, we are putting them into the bucket and going to the cash counter. We are paying through the UPI, debit card, credit card, or cash. We are taking the goods immediately, right? We are taking the goods from the counter and we are paying the cash. They are giving us the hard copy of the invoice. Very similar, the cash sales work. Okay, so correct answer is cash sales. Now you know the logic. Don't forget the logic, guys. Okay. Next question. In the standard system, which of the following is used in the accounting determination? The question is saying here, out of these five components, which are the main components that we use for the account determination? So guys, account assignment group of customer or material, chart of account. These two are the main component for the account determination. So remember it, okay? Account assignment group of customer or material. Here we are having the option as a pair master, so we will select that. And second is chart of the account. Guys, I think the explanation is clear to you all. In case of any doubt, feel free to reach me. I'll see you guys in my next video. Till that time, happy learning, all the best, and take care, guys. And please, if you have liked this video, then like the channel and subscribe it. Thank you, guys.